Welcome Kuradangerz! Thank you for visiting. So today we got another sexy, lacy, and see-through panty lingerie. Are you excited? Because I am so very excited to share this panty to you Kuradangerz. So this is our new panty from online store. Of course from Shopee. Very nice lace detail. Look at that. Ang ganda-ganda niya mga kadangs. Very nice yung design ng lace. Look at that. Very see-through. Kitang-kita ang ating kaluluwa dyan, Kuradangerz. Pag sinusuot natin yung panty na yan. Very, very conservative cut but still very nice. And look at that scallop design sa lining mo kadangs. Very nice. And then yung design talaga ng kanyang lace is very nice mga kadangs. Look at that. Super, super nice quality lace panty. And very comfortable tong suotin Kuradangerz because of its cut. If you want to be simple and conservative, then you can choose this kind of design Kuradangerz. Very nice and very conservative but still pack sa kaseksihan Kuradangerz. Meron siyang cotton dyan sa may papuerta Kuradangerz, so that our puerta is very comfortable, hindi siya ma-irritate sa lace na tela. And yes, super like this panty lingerie and very affordable too. So yes, very nice Kuradangerz. So that's it for our sexy panty lingerie for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe in the Kuradangerz channel and hope to see you on our next panty lingerie. Mwah!